it could be that in order for the parent or the individual or individuals experiencing the index trauma or events, they've had an epigenetic change, which is trying to improve their level of survivability. It's allowing them to adapt to extremely challenging and difficult circumstances. They then pass this epigenetic change on to their offspring, to their children or their grandchildren. Well, it might have a different effect on them. There will have been a change on top of the genes. The term epigenetics means on top of genes. But how it's activated, what it happens, a little bit like a dimmer switch is what I often like to refer to it as. For some people in some contexts, it might lower thresholds, it might lower expression. For others in other circumstances, it might heighten it.
And that could be for different gene expressions, can't it?
Correct. And it's really, really important. There were some studies kind of on survivors of the Holocaust, and they noted epigenetic changes on something called FKBP5, which is a gene set for that helps regulate our stress response system. With the survivors themselves of concentration camps, and this is again in some of the studies that were done, there was an increase in what we refer to as methylation, so methyl groups on this gene, right? But then in their progeny, in their children, there was a decrease in that on the same gene. So we have to ask ourselves, why?